place we won't go. How many people there is bike? Two. Why una carry one helmet?
Only one.
You know what I reach you don't take? You know well. Right, just come on. Come down. Come down now, Mr. Lekere. I said come down. Leave that inside the gutter. Carry that stone. Carry that stone. You. Oh yeah, join am. I said join am. If you don't join am, we will give you 5 lashes of 5 lashes. Who are you? Shut up there.
Papa, na me man.
Come on, shut up there. What do you mean? By shut up.
I'm sorry.
Oga, sir. Imagine this bloody civilian. They carry one helmet when they do for bike. Down now. Now.
I'm not telling for your soldier, sir.
Go down. Now. Go down the gutter. For what? I'm not carrying anything. Keep up on this thing, 5 lashes. If you no one need that. Hold on.
Yeah, and if you kneel down, if my pikin kneel down, I go come kneel down. Not disrespect me.
Will you shut up? 5 lashes.
Is he your officer? Sorry, sir.
Okay, no, you. 5 lashes.
Let me beat you up.
Now.
Which one are you going to choose? If not to collect throw, I go collect. For what? I can go kneel down with my pikin.
My brain lie down here. Let me flog you.
Hold
this thing.
I'm going to hold it now.
Hold it.
Turn around. Turn this way.
Turn. Where's officer? Turn. The grace. Pray hold this thing now. The Superman, Abi. Get my soya.
Block me.
What is it? Don't talk to an officer. What's that? What is it? What is it, my friend? It's for you. What is it?
Where is the nigga got it?
Want to carry the stone? My friend, go down there. Go! You down there, carry the stone. No, sir.
You better tell me that I carry the stone.
Papa, il est clair. These are the things God carry this stone. No one carry. Papa, you are just a bloody civilian. You down there.
What do you think about that?
Thank you for watching that funny Love Nation entertainment comedy video. I hope you like it. You can subscribe on our YouTube channel. You can book us for any event with the number shown on your screen. For Monday and Friday comedy skit, enter www.lovenationent.blogspot.com to download it. Twale.